Hello, fellow journeymen. You are on a timber frame journey. I'm journeying home from a job in California. Here we're at Timberline. It's hard to get in here. You have to have a boarding pass and security, all this. But I wanted to point out a few things here. These beams are free of heart. On the last job we did like this, one side was tight and the other side was lifted up. It was torsioning in place. I'm really happy with how these beams have behaved. We cut them from a great big log, free of hard timber. They were not kiln dried. In the previous one, they were core dried, so that's another level beyond kiln drying. But it's just such a feel-good exercise. How do you kiln dry such massive pieces of wood? And the shrinkage here, I'm really tickled with this. I don't know when it's going to stop. I mean, it's kind of hard to guess. Really dry in the airport. You're going to be about 12%, 15% moisture content, maybe down to 7 sometimes. And so the moisture is coming out of these beams, but they're just staying nice and clean. They're staying straight. And one thing here, zoom in here, look at the little bit of shrinkage here. And then also you'll see some pitch. This is coming out. If these posts were in hot sunlight, direct sunlight, there would be more pitch. As the wood heats up, more pitch comes out, but then if the wood never hits that temperature again, less pitch comes out. Quick tip, clean this, simply a putty knife, straight, and then denatured alcohol, a little Brillo pad, scrub, done. Thank you. So this is really good, really happy with this. When you do start with big logs, get it free of heart, you're on the right path to quality, and I'm crossing my fingers to see how this looks in another year or so. Stay tuned.